Hello, welcome back to Soleil House. It is January 5th. The holiday break is over. There was a lot of activity here over the holiday break. I'm really thankful to all the craftspeople who are willing to work because we're on a tight deadline to finish the house for Modernism Week. We have about 1 month left, so there's really kind of a race to the finish going on here. We need about at least a few days to move all the furniture in, and so there is a lot of work that needs to happen in the next month. We are here on the newly resurfaced deck, and I selected a product called TimberTech, which is a recycled plastic material that looks like real wood. They have a wide range of colors, so this is going to be much more durable and require much less maintenance. I'm really happy with the way that it looks because even though it's made from recycled plastic, it really looks like wood. I'm standing in the dining room right now, and as you can see, the terrazzo tile flooring has started to go in. It's a honed terrazzo tile made in Italy. I worked with Mark Davis at Modern Homes on figuring out exactly the kind of color we wanted. I think it looks really nice. It has like little bits of warm tones in it, which was something that I really wanted. And also it has a honed finish, so it's not shiny, just sort of a matte surface on the flooring. You might remember that this window was boarded up and it was broken. So now the new window is installed. It still has the film over it, so you can't see the rocks behind, but it's basically gonna have rocks and the mountain like right outside this window. So our plan is to pick a couple sculptural desert plants to put out there to create kind of a vignette outside of this window. So I'm in the new kitchen, and as you can see, the cabinetry has started to be installed. This is going to be a peninsula with a couple of bar stools here, the range hood, oven stove behind me, the refrigerator over here, and also we sacrificed a bathroom that was right in this area that was en suite to the bedroom that's behind this wall. We took over the bathroom in order to expand the kitchen and be able to add this window because the old kitchen was a little bit dark. So I'm really looking forward to seeing how this all comes together. We are in the guest room, and all of the terrazzo tile has been installed in this room. And this is the room that sacrificed its bathroom in order to make the kitchen bigger. So the bathroom used to be sort of right here, and it was a really narrow bathroom. We just decided that it was worth it to give up that bathroom in order to make the kitchen larger. We are in the guest bathroom now, and as you can see, this really pretty peach-colored Fireclay tile is being installed. I love this color, and I decided to go with a 4x4 square, just because that's what would have been used in a 1963 mid-century modern home. Fireclay had a bunch of really fun shapes, but I decided not to get distracted by all those shapes and just go with what I know would have been used in a mid-century home in 1963. We are in the primary bedroom, and California Closets is on site today and probably most of this week doing the installation in all of the bedrooms. So they're doing a big built-in here. They're doing all the closets in the bedrooms, a linen closet, and then a little built-in in the entertainment area. The primary bedroom has this sort of like windows that come to the corner and a really great view that I'm looking at right now. The primary bathroom is coming together. The Fireclay tile is being installed, also a 4x4 square in this soft blue color. The shower is sort of a sunken shower, and as you'll see in a second, there's glass blocks in the shower that let a little bit more light in. Okay, so the team is here today working on the pool, getting ready for tile that we're putting around the water line of the pool. Since we were last here, the concrete was poured. It just looks clean and nice and so much better than how it looked before. The pool deck was actually quite a bit smaller, especially in this area, There was some sort of platform built that was quite run down, so we just demoed that whole thing, and that expanded the space that we have around the pool a little bit. We also extended this concrete block wall. You can see where it ended. The white part is the original wall, and then the part that's not painted is the new wall, and we just sort of curved it around the rocks to expand the pool deck a little bit. I love how it looks seamless, and once it's all painted, it'll truly look seamless. Thank you for joining us for this update. Things are going to be moving really fast in the next month in order to make our Modernism Week deadline. Come back and see what's going on next time.